Messaging limits guide you in executing SMS marketing efficiently, making it essential to understand them to master customer outreach. The Messaging Ramp Progress Card provides actionable insights to clarify the process and help you unlock higher messaging limits. The Progress Card will give you a detailed visual representation of the process to help you understand how it works. This will allow you to confidently make decisions on scaling your SMS communications up and the future steps to follow. And you might be wondering, how do I implement this feature? First, navigate to the Advanced Settings tab of your phone number section in your account settings. In the Advanced Settings section, switch to the Messaging Limit tab. To gather insights on the actionable steps, click the question mark icon next to Messaging Ramp Progress. This will open a pop-up describing the needed actions to achieve the next level. And that's it! We hope the Messaging Ramp Progress Card provides ample support to your SMS communications, creating a smooth route to scale your messaging and confidently set up the strategies for success.